Hey everyone, welcome back or welcome to a brand new video with me. Today is going to be my favorites for this month. This month has flown by and honestly I have no idea how we already passed the first month. We're literally at the end of the month and I thought we'd do our favorites video. I used to love doing these videos way back when. We're talking about 10 years ago, and I've got a few things. We've got obviously beauty themed. There's always something mostly beauty and skincare, and then I've got some extra bits and bobs. But I thought I'd film this for you guys because I used to love watching these. I still love watching them to this day, and yeah, I thought I would sit down, stand up and film this for you. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so for January we have a couple of new favorites, which is a shocker because I've tried so many new makeup this past couple of weeks, and it's exciting to have new items as my favorites. So let's just go into it straight away. So I do have a Rimmel product. This is the multitasker. So this is what it looks like. I do have two shades. For some reason this does not want, there we go. So it's better than filters. This is like a dupe for the CT one. I do have two shades. I've got the 04 and the 03. Basically this is ideal to put under your foundation, gives a bit of a glow. It's gorgeous, especially in summertime, and I've been loving doing this prior to my foundation. It gives it more of a youthful glow. I've been loving the more dewy look. This has been working amazing with my foundations and I had to include it in this video. Next is going to be something that is new again to my staples and also to my kit, and it's the curve case by Mitchell. I've been dying to get my hands on these for so long, and honestly I am obsessed. I've got the light and medium. I can safely say the light has been used. You can see I'm literally scraping it at the top. It's still quite new. As you can see, obviously we're in January. This is literally, I've just literally got it, and we have contenders. Hollow there, which is this one over here, is amazing for contouring. It's my favorite. My skin looks amazing in that. And then we have cream carve, which is the one on top. That looks amazing after you've done the contouring on your skin. I don't have it on today, but I've got something else on which I'm going to actually talk about today as well. And then strawberry cream is gorgeous. That's the only one I've used till now because I do have some other blush from Made by Mitchell which I tend to use, but I'm trying to get used to using these as well. I do have the medium one, which is still brand new. This is new for the kit as well, and I do want to get all of them. There's about 5 and I think it's 6 including the highlighter one, and he's got some other blush ones and stuff. It's just an amazing gel like cream. It's just works wonder, blends so effortlessly, and it's just chef's kiss. Made by Mitchell has done amazing work with these curve cases. Everyone swears by them. I don't know anyone who will actually say anything badly about these cases. A staple in any makeup artist case in my opinion, and I love them. That, you know, like, they had to be in my kit as well, so had to mention those because these are probably like the top of the top tier of my favorites for January because I've been loving them. You don't need a lot of product, a little bit goes a long way, as you can see, and amazing. 10 out of 10. Okay, obviously this is going to be no shocker. Huda Beauty loose powder. I have pound cake. I do want to get more colors for the kit as well. Works wonders. The pound cake tends to be just like normal color to set with your foundation. Sometimes this does go a bit yellow on me, so I do think having the translucent would be ideal. I want to get a couple of colors for my kit as well because I think this is just an amazing loose powder. You can't fault with it. Makeup artists love it, and it's just something that you need. That's basically a holy grail in most people's makeup bags or makeup artists in general. You gotta try it. If you haven't tried it, go try it. It's amazing, works wonders. It's amazing for baking. It's amazing just for all over the skin. 10 out of 10. I was gonna mention more contouring. This is what I've got on at the moment, and this is this one over here. This is the Max Factor Miracle Pure. This is the Golden Glow bronzer in number 2 medium to deep. This has squalane and hyaluronic acid and it's vegan, and this is currently what I have as my bronzer at the moment with Max Skin Finish. Is it deep? No, it isn't. I'm going to tell you what it is. So what I've got on top of this is Give Me Sun Mineralized Skin Finish by MAC. It's my go-to, but this has been working wonders as my overall cream bronzer. I've been loving it. It's liquid, so it's not cream, it's liquid, and it's just very easy to blend as well, which I love. And it's new to my kit, to my like little setup here, which I obviously have to try before anything goes in the kit, but I would actually try and get some more of these because I feel like there's more colors and it's not overly dark for my skin type, but I think for lighter skin types you might need a lighter tone. But I definitely love it. I love it so much and I had to share that with you. And now we're going to go to eyes. Mascaras. I have two. I have a cult fave that you guys always hear me talk about, which is the Thrill Seeker. This is the Wonderful Thrill Seeker by Rimmel. This is just your normal black one, but we have a new contender today, and this is the Max Stack in black. This is in black stack mascara. It's just a black one. It's just a limited edition bottle. I actually have this normal black one for my kit. That's how good it is. It's amazing. It is, I don't know what else to say. It's just amazing. You need to have it. It just does wonders to your lashes. And again, it's like if Rimmel had a baby in a push-your tube, you'd go for that one. But these two are my babies. I like to pair them up as well together sometimes, but you can even do this by itself. Amazing. You gotta have both, in my opinion. Now we're going on to lips. I have two products here today. I have one that was in the Made by Mitchell advent calendar, which is this is the Beam in Sugared, and this is in Crystal Ice. It's just a normal lip gloss. It's your typical lip gloss, clear, crystal clear lip gloss. Works amazing. I love it. I needed one. We got one. So again, I've never normally wear lip glosses apart from the lip oils from P. Louise. I live and swear by them. And now we move on to lip glosses. So we've done something better. If you talked to me 10 years ago talking about lip glosses, I would have told you no way will I ever wear a lip gloss. I think the last time I would have had one lip gloss was when I was 14, and that's over 18 years ago, if I'm doing my math correctly. I think so, I'm not sure. Okay, lips, we have what we have on today. This is the lip liner by Kiko. This is the Smart Fusion Lip Pencil in 534 is what I've got on today. It is lovely, jubbly brown nude. Let me do a little swatch to show you. It's just a gorgeous straight up nude pink, as you can see on my lips. I've literally got that and a lip gloss, clear lip gloss, and you're ready to go. That's the look that I've got at the moment, and I swear but a little bit. Lastly but not least is the setting spray. This, wow, I do have more than one because you need more than one. You would have seen my haul from Sicily that my sister got me. I have more than one. So this is the Infallible 3-second settings mist, and it's 36 hold, 6-hour hold. It's amazing. This makeup has been on for a long time. It is currently, I can tell you what time it is. It is now 5:15. I've had this on since 7 o'clock. Thank this spray. Honestly, thank the spray. This my makeup looks the same. I've been out in the rain, guys. It's been raining today. It's been gloomy. It's been horrible, and this makeup's still on, and I have 2 kids. I still have makeup on, and I still have my lip product. Did a little bit of touch up, but I still have my lip product, and it's down to this spray. Amazing, works wonders. It's similar to the One Size setting spray, similar to the Kryolan. Smaller tube. I love it. You gotta have it. I recommend it to anyone who wants to try a setting spray. Hands down, hairspray in a tube for makeup. That's that. Next is something to take your makeup off. This is Clinique Take the Day Off cleansing balm. I've been using it sparingly. Just started to use it this month, as you can see, and we're getting there. It is cheaper to buy it from Sicily, so I did get a big one from Sicily. They've got some amazing sales there from the cosmetic company store. I might start getting some of my skincare stuff from there because it's so inexpensive, and it's really good to get something on discount. And I've been dying to get this for a long time because I normally get the Body Shop cleansing balm. This is the same, if not better, and it leaves amazing an amazing kind of silkiness on the skin. And then I go in with a toner. The toner that I'm currently using is the P. Louise. This is called Twilight Tonic, and it's just a moisturizing toner, so I tend to do this after I have taken off my makeup with the balm, put some of this on, and then my normal moisturizer. The current moisturizer I'm currently using are these two here. Actually, I've got the day one here, the night one is actually in my bathroom. So this is the Skin Genetics. This is a serum and a moisturizer. This is the moisturizing cream for the day. I do have a night one. These were kind of gifted to me to try, and I've been loving them. I've been trying them out for January. So we have the Flash Filler Booster, Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin B3. This is a serum and I've been loving it. It's really interesting. It's something different. I'm just seeing what happens with my skin. Hyaluronic acid gives you a plumpness to the skin, and I've been loving that. And this one is the day cream. So let me just see if it there we go. So it's hyaluronic acid moisturizing cream. It's got gel like form. They did ask me what kind of skin type I have, and normally I tend to go for the gel like form because I've got combination to oily, and sometimes the rich cream, it tends to be overpowering and too much for my skin, and I like the jelly kind of form for my skin because it just works much more better in my opinion. Now that's basically all the makeup and skincare that I have as my favorites for January, but I'm going to go in with some extra bits and bobs. Firstly being these. So these are my new headphones from Anker Soundcore P20i. These are in pink and they are basically the wireless ones, Bluetooth ones. They're amazing, so easy to use, so easy and handy to carry, and I think they were under 30 euros. They're on sale on Amazon. Pick them up, and I want to add them on here as well. I have to mention this. New for 2025 are my watch and my phone. My mom bought me my watch for Christmas. When I tried to pair it with my phone, it said my phone was outdated, so we needed a new iPhone. So I treated myself to a new iPhone because I got this one. So this has a really cool wristband that I got off Shein, believe it or not, and it's very similar to my husband's Rolex, so I just want to have something similar to that. And I just got a cover for the top, just to keep it protected because I do have kids and I don't want it bashing everywhere. So I did get a top because obviously I'm always with water and everything with the kids, so I got a cover for that. And then this is the iPhone 15. I did get a customized cover. This has my initials of me, my husband and my kids, and this my surname. So basically we found out that our family name is Shrimp. I just think it's hilarious. But anyways, lastly but never least is the last thing that I want to talk about, and a cult favorite is my Kindle. I've been back to reading again, which has been nice, especially after Maisie is a bit older now. I have more time to read, especially at night. She's been sleeping, which has been so nice. Maybe we have 2 or 3 feeds the most, and then she's back to sleep. It's been chef's kiss. We all get to sleep at night. It's amazing. I can't complain, and that means I have more time to sleep. To sleep, yes, but to read as well. I'm currently reading Zodiac Academy, Heartless Sky, but this month I would say the cult favorite at the moment is Broken Bonds by J. Brie. I love that series. It's a fantasy series. I think I've read 3 books, and I actually listened to 2 of them on audiobook as well, and I have really been loving that kind of fantasy world building in that book. So yes, I have a couple of more books to read this month, but that will be probably my top book this month in my opinion. I'll probably change by next month, but that from all the ones I've read till now, Broken Bonds book 1 has been my favorite. And that basically has been all my favorites for January. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please go and subscribe. I post videos nearly every week on a Monday at around 4 p.m. my standard local time. And give this video a thumbs up if you did, like it, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever in the world, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.